Okay, so today I'm going to be trying to figure out, I have a misfire on cylinder 4 in my Subaru 2003 Subaru WRX. I've been reading, I know it can be a couple different things. It's either going to be a spark issue with the spark plug or the coil pack, or it's possibly a fuel injector. It could also be bad compression. So I'm going to just try some different things today and see what we come up with. Okay, I have an idea that it may be low compression, which is unfortunate, but I saw a video where a guy, he basically was cranking the motor over and he could hear differences in the compression. So I'm going to see if I can hear differences as I crank it over. I have it hooked up on a charger here so that I don't drain my battery doing this, and also I need to pull the fuse, I guess, for the ignition, so it's not sending spark. Okay, I just spent way too much time trying to find the ignition fuse, but I found it. I think it is. You can see you pull off this coin tray here in the car, and it's number 11. So I'm going to try and turn the car over now. Hopefully, if I pull the right one, it won't start. And we'll be able to hear if there's any differences as each cylinder goes up and down as we're cranking. Okay, so now I'm going to try this is an O2 Forester that I've been working on, and it should hopefully sound the same, but I just pulled the ignition fuse. We'll see how it sounds when cranking. Okay. This is back in the 03 WRX again with the suspicious maybe valve. That sounds different. Okay, so if you remove the water, the windshield washer fluid bottle, you can get down in here pretty good. You can see the coil packs there. See the coil packs here and here. So what I just did was I switched the coil packs and switched the spark plugs. We'll see if that does anything. Okay, so at this point I just started the car, and it sounds like it's still misfiring. And it had misfire codes on 3 cylinders, so I just cleared it, and I'm going to go drive it and see what pops up. Got the check engine light on again. It's not flashing. Oh, it is flashing. Huh. When I checked the codes, it said it was misfiring on 3 cylinders now. I think it was 1, 2, and 4. So I've decided I think I'm just going to get I think I'm just going to go with a new long block, which may be crazy, but I know that the short block on this motor is compromised anyways, because when I was in it last time it looked like the rings were bad.